Today we talk about how can you convert to a business account on your Pinterest app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go down here, click on this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on settings, then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on account management here, so then you click here on convert to a business account, just click on it. So then you click here on convert account, just click on it here. Then it's going, then you add here your profile name, click on next. So then it's going to create a business account here on your Pinterest app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.